Hello, hello. Today is Tuesday, March 26, 2024, 8:27 a.m. New York and 7:27 p.m. my time. Okay, so today, New York time. Wait, I think daylight savings. So, New York, York. Should be here. Yep, still 4. Get it. News on London. Maybe London high, London low. 8:30 news, durable goods. Alright, let's get on. Weekly bias is this weekly old high. PDA. Let's see, 4 hour. What the hell is this? So many stuff. Delete that. Okay, it's much cleaner now. 4 hour chart. This appears to be a breaker. Let's do that. And breaker. Red. 4 hour breaker. No fair value gaps. Let's check H1. No fair value gaps. Okay. Daily. Okay, nothing much, bros. But our draw is this weekly old high. Let's look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is extremely bullish, of course. Let's look at ES. ES, bullish as well. We mitigated this daily busy. Looks like we are targeting this equal high next. This is the next draw on price. This is order block. Go. This one. Double top. So many resting liquidity. ES looks dope. Okay, news is out. I'm gonna look at Nasdaq. We have the SIBI. Okay, we have equal high there on the SIBI. This is beautiful. Love it, my broski. Daily. Nothing daily. 4 hour. We have this fair value gap and an order block. Like to see price coming down here. This is a 4 hour OE. Daily we don't have anything, but 4 hour there's no B. 1 hour chart. Wait. This order block is also a reclaim order block here. That will be powerful. Now look at H1. We seem to have a double bottom and a fair value gap inside this order block. breaker here. So this breaker is in line with this 4-hour order block and 1-hour busy. So we don't need to do that. I'll just enter off from here. Order block style entry drill. Waiting for an inducement. Turtle soup those into a fair value gap. Then go for long into all-time high. Easy. Something like this. On ES, we have multiple liquidity. This one here as well. This should hold price. Gap fills. Two draws in price. It's 1 RCB. Closing into this 1 RCB. Offering 2 to 1. Nasdaq 3 to 1. The real move would be here. But that will give us a weak risk reward. I'm expecting price to fall into this 4-hour OB and then push price higher. Something like this. Whoop. Phew. We got a breaker here. 1 hour breaker. If we take trade to this order block, that will be an A setup. But if we take longs, that will be an A plus because higher time frame is pushing for bullishness. A plus is reaction to this order block to upside. An A setup without the A plus would be price to fall and trade into this OB. Let's look at 15-minute charts. So this is London's low. I'm expecting manipulation into this London's low. OTE. There, perfectly lines to that order block. This is the original consolidation. The point of origin. This is the order block. This is fair value gap. That's the short-term low, where price is likely heading towards, and then push higher, taking out this high and previous day's high. This is Tuesday. We make Monday's low, unicorn. Monday low of the week. Most likely targeting this highs next. ES. Monday's low. Stay. We have a better range on ES though. Target this high instead. Will give us more. Looking for SMT. I don't think there is. There's no SMT. We have a BPR here. That's a breaker. The breaker is in line with this order block. Price is reaching into it. Which one's better? I like Nasdaq better though. Look how price reached into this equilibrium. By a pip, by a tick. Interesting. It's retracing now. Let's see news. 8:30 is gone. We have 8:55. Red book year of year. We have another. Okay, this is silver bullet. Consumer confidence. We got a silver bullet at 10. We know where the draw is this high. So I'm gonna wait for 10 here. Let's play silver bullet. Look how he respects this. Pretty. Where's 10? This is 10. Silver bullet. One hour double tops. Nope. We are reacting to this 4-hour OB, but overall we are bullish. So maybe price will come down here into breaker. This is the breaker. Stop close candle. We're reacting on it. We are inside this breaker. Also this 1-hour breaker. And this propulsion. This looks like very bullish to me. We can aim it for the SIBI, the all-time high again for a 3-to-1 risk to reward. I'm waiting for price to come to discount. There. Should I enter here? That's a 3-to-1. Low of this candle is 5226.9. 6.9. shifted to 6.9. We are at this OB now. We should see price coming up. Can take longs here, or maybe go for the 50 minutes, 5-minute time frame for entries. I'll play it safe. If we use the breaker in the 1 hour, that's the 4-hour OB. Would have a bad risk to reward. But I'm bullish on the 4-hour, so I want to see 1 hours. Oh, we have displacement. Look at that. How we react to that 1 hour CB. I want to see displacement up for me to enter on. I don't like this, nor do I like NQ, so I'm just gonna wait for price to do its thing. If we don't get it, then we'll wait for silver bullet. Okay, do we have SMT? No. No SMT, boys. What, 1 minute? No SMT as well. $8.55, red book. 10 will be another news. For events, I'll play the 10 o'clock. If we see market structure shift here on the lower time frame, then I'll enter for silver bullet to buy side liquidity. For ES, if we inverse the CB and push higher, rally above this 1 hour OB, then I'll look for price to come up and fill this CB, eventually equal highs. No SMTs here. So everything here is symmetrical, including this one. So no SMT. I like NQ because it has a lot more liquidity. If I were to play on OTE, I would enter right here. This overblock. Stop loss will be at this low for 3 to 1. Should we play it? One minute. Looks like price is still going to push lower though. Maybe come up, fill this gap, CB, and then go lower. Come up, market structure shift up. But if we're playing OTE, this is my setup. For OTE, I usually look at the 1 hour. This is a beautiful 1 hour delivery. Inducement into fair value gap. So just waiting, market structure shift. We'll wait for 8.55 here. So want to take note of 8.30. We are at discount from 8.30. And a premium on the daily range. If this were to be an extremely bullish move, then this low will hold as we are in discount from this 8.30. Which long look better? This does not look good. We do have a gap here. A new week opening gap. If price were to go here, then we'll have an SMT. Okay. We're struggling here, accumulating longs. And then 9 o'clock, then 10. No, 9:30. We'll see what price does at 9:30. We are in this 1 hour CB. Price is moving lower, and I'd like to see a 4 hour PDA to hold, which is this. Gonna mark that up. This will hold price. We got SMD at this low. And this one. Which one's best? I'm taking this as a soup because we have this 4 hour OB, and if we mark the mean threshold of that OB, roughly be at that stop loss. Excuse me. That is the mean threshold. So we're using that 4-hour OB mean threshold for price to hold. This is also a breaker, unicorn. I'll trade NQ. I'll target that breaker. I'll trade NQ. I like it. This is unicorn. Put on a buy limit. Stop loss will be at this low. 183096. I'll use a round number. Risk $100. I'm gonna put a limit at this candle slow. Candle slow is at 18334. I'll take it. We're engineering liquidity. This is a bit aggressive. Is it 100? Cancel that. I think I made a mistake. I'm playing on turtle soup. I'll take it. Market buy. Why is it 79 again? Whatever. Okay, got my entry. It's more beautiful. Take note that we don't have any SMT at this buy side of the curve. I'm still convinced that this is just an inducement. uh, 1 hour breaker. Yep, 1 hour breaker to push price into this 1 hour CB. Or let's see if we do have something here. 4 hour, no, there's nothing here. We do have this equalize. So let's see. We don't have any SMT, so I'm just gonna close the other charts. There we go. This is 2.5 hour. If we were to push lower, then I expect for price to take this equal high into the CB into this 1 hour breaker. That's why I put my exit point at this breaker, because it has a lot of confluence that will push price lower. Okay, wait. We'll wait for silver bullet 1 hour more. man, we're taking some damage here. Taking some damage. We are currently in this 1 hour busy. In threshold, consequent encroachment. What is this? This is buy side liquidity here. Probably came down here, take sell side, rebalance, busy, and then jump. Give me that jump. I wanna see press do this. I wanna see. Of course you're not gonna get that. I'm hoping for 930 to come and defend my position. 930 will be here. We're almost at 930. I wanna see this placement up on 930. Give me that. Let's look at. Okay, we are in this 4 hour OB, I believe. Yep, we are. This placement is real though. Expecting bullishness there. 4 hour. Pew. Take profit will be the breaker or aka the 4 hour rejection block. 4 hour rejection block. 2R. Oh, 2.5 actually. Wow, that is perfect institution. Low. I'm okay taking this risk. This is my continuation model. Here we have a breaker, my friend. This is the breaker mean threshold and 4 hour mean threshold. I put my stop loss there, expecting price to not even hit this because this is a unicorn. I believe I saw a propulsion. No, there's no propulsion here. Oh yeah, we do. There's your propulsion block, mean threshold. I'm taking some hits, but that's fine. Because I didn't wait for, the market structure shift. But I'm still expecting some dynamic price movement by buying in discount and below the 830. And if price displays lower, take another stop, and we could potentially target this busy. Because Tuesday will be the high of the week since we touched this SIBI. Right, we got that. Respect. Price is respecting this consequent encroachment on the 1 hour BC. Look at that. Look at that. I'm expecting a market structure shift on this time frame. 5 minutes to take out this swing high. Inverse the SIBI. Creates a unicorn pattern. Boom! Some price to this equal highs and easily to this upside objective before we go down. I want to see my account. Journal. What's this? Okay. Got a good, profitable P&L. Really nice. The frequency is nice as well. Okay, we are nearing 3 minutes left before 9:30. I'm expecting 9:30 to take this high. Shall see. Preferably, I like to see SMT. Okay, looks like we don't have SMTs yet. Continue monitoring price. If it does, yep, we're taking this high. This was the build up of liquidity. Like I said, price was engineering buy side before we went down, take sell side to rebalance this 1 hour BC. And now we want to take the buy side liquidity, push price higher, displacing and then creates an imbalance, taking that imbalance and then go to external range here. And also that we took this sell side liquidity hold low, we should aim for this internal range 1 hour CB, and that breaker should be our potential target. I want to see this leg if respected. Look at how well it ties up with that breaker. 62%. 62% is very high probable. That's my target projection. Send to that breaker. Right, just gonna wait again. Okay, I have a light bulb moment that this should go buy side, and that this news was just manipulation into this London low. No, what 9:30 is displacing lower. Yeah, it took sell side liquidity here, also on ES. This is a SIBI. Price seems to be respecting it. which I really I don't prefer this type of price action, but I've already put my risk. And from my years of playing optimal trade entries, this should be a strong low, because this low has that many imbalance rather than this low. Yeah, this low could be strong as well, but I'll just put this one here because we're in line with this breaker. Main threshold shown here. There. Threshold. Put my stop loss there. Alright, just gonna watch the 5-minute. We're about to get news at 10. That's our last volatility injection at 10. Then we have 10:30, 11:30 for the bill auction. I'll stop trading at 12, so 11:30, 12. Yes, this is 11:30 news. Embargo. I'm gonna stop trading at 12. Just gonna mark 11:30 for the volatility news. Oh, look at that, 9:30. Okay, 9:30 is giving us the confidence that we are right, boys. Look at that displacement. Taking buy side liquidity after taking sell side in, respecting this busy to the tick. I want to see a new fair value gap being made here, preferably with more displacement. 950 should be the macro. We see that we entered one turtle soup. This is a breaker. If we do have an effigy here, that will be a unicorn on the 1-minute chart that should take this buy side liquidity easily. Oh no, that looks like a sweep of the highs. Cheeky, very cheeky. But I know your true intention. See how it just, meandering around, taking sell side, buy side. We had this breaker, right? Higher high, breaker, that's a bearish breaker. And then because we took this equal high, 2022 model, but 2022 model bearish breaker failed. This is a reaper, and when playing with reapers, you wanna be looking for hidden fair value gaps. So let's find the hidden fair value gaps. We only have a SIBI though. I guess we could use that SIBI as a hidden fair value gap. Look at how 950, 935 I think. 935 is respecting that really well. This inverse SIBI. Yep, and we are running to buy side liquidity. 10 AM should push price even higher till we get to this breaker. A beautiful price section. Monsters, bro. Ultimate objective at this high. So I can be sure that this is the breaker. So I'm comfortable placing my stop at this low here, at displacement leg. And we can put a standard deviation of this price leg here. it's this one. Standard deviation. There we go. Market maker buy model 2.5. This is the buy side liquidity. We are aiming for I've reduced my risk. Price action is so beautiful right now. I can't tell you how much I love the 9:30, man. 9:30 is like the midnight New York session for London session. When you're trading London, then midnight is your 9:30. If you're trading New York, then 9:30 is your thing. Okay, we are given another opportunity to buy. Shall we just buy another contract? I like to buy. ICT teaches us to buy, but I'm just gonna let price do its thing. Although I'm really comfortable with the setup because this is an A+. This is an A+ because A+ setup here. Respecting high order flow. MPDA support. Waiting for turtle super OD. In highs. No SMT. Can't find any SMT. That's fine. There's no SMT till now. We are respecting the SIBI from this breaker. There's a breaker and a SIBI, inverse SIBI. Powerful stuff. It's almost like a unicorn. But instead of a busy, we have an inverse SIBI. If we take this high, I'll scale my profit. I put my stop loss at this low should be strong enough. Because we have 10 a.m. news. Once price take this high, the news will put volatility to push price higher instead of going down here. Honestly, really sexy. Look at that. Within this range to this high, the breaker, and then the low of this busy, we have the equilibrium at here, this 8:30 candle. If we have price take that high, I'll be confident putting my break even there. Because market maker buy model tells us that it will not go way below after hitting that equilibrium of range defined. This just looks so pretty, bro. So pretty. So pretty, bray. I'm gonna delete this. 8:55 was engineering liquidity. 9:30 news and 9 o'clock was a Judas swing. Yep, it was a Judas swing, clearing buy side and sell side liquidity, and 9:30 shows us the real move, which is the upside. Love it. I can see now why most people like to trade the 1 minute chart, because it offers a lot more risk to reward. They always like to play the reversal, which what I'm seeing but not playing. I was trading the 1 hour OTE, 15-minute OTE, practically short-term trading. It offered me 2.5 risk to reward. But as you can see here, if we were to play on the 1 minute chart unicorn reversal pattern and not the continuation, we played the continuation higher time frame 50 minute and 1 hour. But this one here on 1 minute chart, this is the unicorn model, market maker buy model reversal play, which offers really good risk reward. Let's see. How much risk reward is that here? A 3-to-1 reward. Beautiful. A beautiful. we're building so much buy side liquidity here. We are price is giving another opportunity for people to go long here, accumulating more long orders for more active orders to be paired to this passive engineer liquidity. Let's go. Okay, 10 a.m. Consumer confidence. I want to see displacement. Here we go. We also have 10:30 news, which is the last volatility. Then 11:30. So I'm gonna mark 10:30 as our last volatility. Then the 11:30, of course, the last part, very very last. I'm expecting 10:30 to already push price this instead of waiting for 11:30. Look at the drive of this thing. Yup, we took this equilibrium of these two ranges, the breaker and the fair value up, so I'm gonna move my stop, break even. Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bing. Oh yeah, I wanna look for SMT. Do we have SMT? No, no SMT, bros. No SMT. $8.30 discount. let's predict where it's gonna fall to. Have this 5-minute order block, reclaim order block. 1 minute, we have this low. I think this low is our target, just the liquidity void busy, which price could potentially go there after taking this equal high bicep liquidity here. It may go to the sell side liquidity, but remember our order flow is bullish, therefore trying to short here to this imbalance will be low probability and it's probably a B setup. But from here to the up, that will be an A plus. You see some displacement taking here, another inducement after equilibrium. Up, external to internal, internal to external. Higher time frame order flow is bullish. Now this is high probability to take this high. High probability to take this high. Trust me, this is what the algorithm is doing most of the time. Internal, external, external, internal, internal, external. Higher time frame is bullish, so this candle here to this buy side is very A plus. So take note, this is equal low. I'm thinking price take this high, then maybe take this low, then go up again. Something like this. Okay, we're trading this busy, taking this equal low inducement into this higher time frame order block here. Okay, we are wrong. After taking this original consolidation, price just move lower now. 2. This 5-minute propulsion. I want to see this mean threshold holds. Yet again, we are building more liquidity. Okay, propulsion doing its thing. I like how we respect this after an equilibrium. So stop will be here. If this was a no news day, then this low right here will probably get taken out for inducement. But since we are at grad folder news, I'm expecting bullishness and for price to respect turtle soups like this low. But other days like Monday, where there's no news, price could go up here and then take more liquidity than rallies. Those are the days where if you are looking for a trade, make sure it's A plus or at least be able to, take the risk and don't move your stop loss. Because if you move it, you might risk getting chopped and then get your stop taken early. I want to see this whole price take this low because we're closing into 10:30. We're closing into 10:30. We've already retraced to a discount. Mean threshold respects that. I don't see why price wants to go take this low unless if we take this high. Okay, it could do this, take the high, then 10:30 push lower, or it could do Could they soup something here? 1030 higher. Let's just do that. I want to see what ES is doing. ES, pretty funky looking. Let's look at the H1. Got that OB, price disrespects that OB. Why? Because we taps into the 4-hour bearish order block, so bullish order block should hold. Because I have to take note of this. This is the reason why price went lower and disrespected 1 hour. Yep, like yes. Respects it. Disrespect this 1 hour, so that went into the 4 hour. As expected. It's the 4 hour. Respects this one because daily is bullish. Daily busy, respected. 4 hour, bearish order block. Managed to push price here, but then bullish again. Either if this 4 hour fails, then we can expect this bullish, or this day is low, or this new opening gap to hold price. We won't be bearish. Look at how it respects this 4 hour OB, which is a breaker. Regular breaker, it's not unicorn. It's also inside this daily busy. I'm thinking of this higher time frame draw 2 to 1 to push price that city. I took my trade on NQ because it looks clean. Price is driving to discount for 10:30 news to push higher. More and more liquidity. Silver bullet 10-11 is choppy. Good thing we entered on that reversal. If I were to enter on longs on this FVG, I'll probably enter here, and my stop loss will be here. So the stop loss is great. There's a silver bullet stop loss. Longs will be here. Targeting, of course, this high for a 3 to 1. Sheesh. Multiple setups, setting up for that buy side liquidity. Just waiting for price to do its thing. CB respected. If our silver bullet setup fails, then this unicorn will probably fails. This is not just a unicorn, this is a reaper. I think reaper is a bearish order block, become bullish. We have this 9:30 candle that created the breaker as well. Now we have that unicorn, reaper, and unicorn, and equal high CB. Yep, I'm confident. We touched the propulsion blocks. Let's see how it dwells. Of course, I don't like this price to take this low because it means it consolidates too much. We are nearing 10:30. Price is not interested with this low. It just wants to go to this propulsion discount for 10:30 to push price higher. are respecting propulsion twice, which is not too good, to be honest. Okay, we are on consequent encroachment. In threshold. Okay, it looks like we get taken out. Break even trade, that's okay. Let's see if 1030 gives us another entry for buy side. Get here. There's the bullish. So after taking this inducement, does 1030 offers that move? If it makes a market structure shift, CISD, I'll enter on that. CISD will be here. Comfortable putting that there. Targeting this breaker. 4 to 1. Of course, you can target this, but my ultimate goal is at this breaker. Look at that. We will have got into break even here. But is this line respecting for our OB? Damn, but it looks so clean though. It's taking this liquidity inducement, that's okay. Maybe we'll find another entry on Wednesday. Look at that. If we didn't put on break even. Yep, okay, no setup. Went here, take sellside liquidity again. We are in premium here. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna stop here. I don't think I'm gonna trade again. I'll wait for tomorrow for it to give me a better view. I'll wait till 11. 11:30. Delete this. Lines. Yep, we are 10:30 now. 10:30 push price lower. So this is the silver bullet, which doesn't make sense to me because our draw should be higher, not lower. So I think price only goes here to take more liquidity as it fails to make another higher high. We'll probably go here then higher. We also have 4-hour mean threshold there. Here. And the midnight session opening price. There's also, I think, new week opening gap somewhere. I think here. I'll wait until 11. 30 minutes left. What is price doing? It displaces so much. It's now in mean threshold of the 4-hour chart. Price was at the 4-hour breaker and now it's trading inside this 4-hour OB. aka the 1 hour breaker. Of course the 4 hour breaker will be stronger, but daily is bullish. If we are to go lower, I'm expecting this to hold again for another buying opportunity on Wednesday. Just waiting till 11. That's all I'm doing. We'll have another entry. I don't think price will break this low. This is also Monday's low of the week. Expecting Wednesday to be the expansion. Tuesday will be the manipulation day. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution on Wednesday. Expansion move. Take buy side liquidity. Rebalance the civvy. And do that all-time high. We are yet again respecting this 4 hour main threshold breaker, 1 hour breaker, main threshold. Okay, Ethereum taking heavy hits, 1% hit. You know what, while we wait, I have Ethereum here. Maybe for another video. For obvious reason, open float here is bearish, but it only went bearish to fill this gap. Then we had our first market structure shift bullish, and the second one here. So at this, starting from this day here, Monday, we are bullish. Monday low of the week. This was propulsion, right? Propulsion fails. Inverse fails. This low here to this high. This is an OTE. Wanna know what's an OTE? Means price can still rally. The OTE here is in line with the mean threshold perfectly. Still bullish, guys. Nothing yet. If it closes above this 1 hour basic consequent encroachment, then it is confirmed we're still bullish because 3 candles, body, the bulk of the volume is expecting this consequent encroachment 1 hour busy. That is if we see price. This down close candle closes above that consequent encroachment. That will be extremely bullish. And it confirms that this is just an OTE. Price taking in more liquidity to push price higher. Now we're just waiting until 11. Then we close our trade. I'm not gonna trade the afternoon session, PM session, because I'll be sleeping. 2 PM New York will be 2 AM here. So tomorrow I'll take on a silver bullet this time after we've established this as a reversal point for price to go up into this breaker there. This should be the last line of defense. We got 17 minutes left. 17, 16 minutes and 10 seconds left. If we close below here, I'll not be looking at the charts no more. I'm gonna see when they do something. But I do have this range in mind, which I'm gonna leave it at that. Yep, break even, done, plus 1.2. Yippee! You know, sometimes you get it wrong. This is a 4-hour discount, which I prefer to hold. Confirm this Monday low of the week. If it doesn't holds, and on Wednesday just displays lower, create a bearish breaker, then this will be my target. The rejection block. Like that. Where's price going here? We're still in the mean threshold. Our holding price here. Almost 11. How long we've been trading for? 2 hours. Not bad. Although it's a break even, it's better than loss. This is March. Boom. Big winner. Big winner. Wins, 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 wins. I bought this one in 2022, 2 years ago. Wait. Yeah, 2 years ago. One share. Huge profit. $389.80. 389. We bought here at this SMT. And price rallied ever since then. to the staggering all-time high. Pretty cool. Next April, I wanna improve my journal. I'm gonna add reason, like notes on the right side, explaining the things, what I see. So that'd be easier. We are in macro, 1050. Respecting the threshold. 11:30 news, 10:30. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna see what Wednesday give us. Overall today's break even. Bye bye.